Need to buy storage on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy storage on iPhone. First thing first, you need to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to your Apple account. In this page, you need to head over to iCloud. Once you're in this page, you can see it says upgrade to 50 GB for $0.99. Click on it. You will see tons of different options. You can either choose 50 GB, 200 GB and 2 TB. Choose according to your need. For now, let me select 50 GB. Once selected, click on upgrade to iCloud. Wait for a while for it to load. Click on subscribe at the bottom. Enter the password of your Apple ID and then click on sign in. Once you've clicked on sign in, now you have to tap on continue. Wait for a while for it to load. It will take you to the page where you will need to enter your card details. Enter the credit or debit card. Once entered, tap on done. The amount will be paid automatically. You do not have to do anything. Once the amount has been paid, you will be able to receive the storage on your device and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can buy storage on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.